Dear students, welcome to the online learning. Today we will be learning chapter number 1, knowing our number. Topic will be estimation, solving problems. So children, before moving to our topic, let us revise the thing already we have learnt in our previous class. So by looking to this picture visible on the screen, what we remember children, can you find it? Yes, if they play the seesaw and a boy gets a score starting from 1 to 4, then we go down to the floor. That means what we learnt, we round down the given number. Understood? Now if they score it reaches 5 or more while playing, then we raise the score. Understood? So here we round off the given number by adding 1 to the circle digit for whichever place we look to get the rounding off done. Understood? So following this rule, we move to the exercise question that is given in textbook page number 23. So your first question is, estimate each of the following using general rule. Fine. So your first question is given as like 730 plus 998. Clear children? So before solving this question using general rule, you must know that general rule says that we need to round off each number to its greatest place. Fine. So you can see here the digits we have in the given number, it is up to hundreds place. So we have to round off this given number to hundreds place. Understood? So we will take each number one by one and we'll find its rounding off. Then we will solve it as per the need of our given question. Fine. So 730, digit present in hundreds place, you can see it is 7. By moving to the next door digit, you have got a digit as 3. If this underlined digit it is less than 5, we don't have to do any changes in the particular digit for which we are willing to get the rounding off done. Fine. So the rounding off for 730 will be written as 700. Likewise for 998, you can see here the digit at hundreds place it is 9 and the next door digit it is again 9. If the next door digit it is more than 5, what we do children, we have to add one more to the particular digit for which we are doing the rounding off. So at hundreds place digit we will add 1. So the rounding off for 998 it will be 1000. After that, what operation sign is present between these two given number? That is addition. So we have to just indicate that operation also. After that, we have to solve the calculation in front. So while adding this both the rounded off number, what we have got? 1700. So our final statement will be written as estimated sum is equals to 700 plus 1000 will give us 1700. Clear? Likewise, we have to solve the next question of the same type. Here 28,292 we have to subtract with 21,496. So again, by following the general rule, we have to round off each number to its greatest place first. Understood? So we will solve it as like, first we will round off the given number to thousands place. Clear? So for 28,292, the rounding off will be, first we will find the digit at thousands place. So that is what it is, 8. Clear children? Then move to the next door digit, it is 2. If the next door digit is less than 5, we don't have to do any changes while rounding off the number. So when we round off the previous digit, it will be as it is, as well as the circle digit or the particular digit for whichever place we want to get the rounding off done, that will also remain same, and the rest of the digit later on which are present towards the right side of your particular digit, that will become 00. Understood? So for this 28,292 we have got the rounding off done, that is equals to 28,000. Similarly for 21,496 we have to see the digit present at thousands place. So it is 1. Again next door digit here it is 4, that is less than 5. So what will be the rounding off for this given number? It will be written as 21 1000 by following the rounding off rule, which we have learnt it already in the previous class. Now, what is the sign in between of this two number given? It is subtraction. So we need to indicate that also. Then after finding the difference between this two number, we have to write the difference whatever we will obtain. So while subtracting this 28,000 with 21,000, we have got 7,000. So statement will be, so the estimated difference is equals to 28,000 minus 21,000, that has given us 7,000. Clear this much? Now come to the next question from the textbook page number 23. Your question is as like, give a rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Clear, children? So come to the first question. Here we have three set of number that are added to each other. So first question is 439. It is added with 334. Then again that number is added with 4317. Clear? So let us solve this first of all one by one. We have to do. First of all, we will do the rounding off to nearest hundreds. Clear? For each given number one by one. So for 439, digit at hundreds place it is 4. We have to circle that. Understood? Then we'll move to find the next door digit. It is 3. If the next door digit it is less than 5, what we do? We don't have to do any changes in the circle digit. So the rounding off for this given number will be 400. Is it clear? By following the rounding off rule, we have done this. So when we rounded off the underlined digit, it was less than 5. So the circle digit, it was written as it is, whereas the rest of the digits which are present towards the right side of your circle digit, that became 0, 0. Clear? Let us take the next number 334. So the rounding off for 334, here what we will get? First we have to get the hundreds place digit, it is 3. Next door digit here in the given number is 3. Again this underlined digit, the next door digit, it is less than 5. So no changes will be there at the circle digit. So rounding off for this given number will be 3, and the rest of the right side digit will become 0, 0. Clear? Now see for this next number. Here the hundreds place digit is 3, whereas the next door digit is 1. Again it is less than 5. Clear? The next door digit is less than 5. So no changes will be done at circle digit. So the rounding off for this given number will be what? The previous digit we will write as it is, whereas the circle digit no changes, so same we will write. Then other rest of the digit which are towards the right side of your circle digit will be written as 0. So here the one we have written it as like 0, as well as the 7 will also become 0. Clear? Now what was the operation between all these three numbers? It was addition, so that we need to mark down and we have to show it while doing the calculation. So now we will do the addition for all these three number which we have got after rounding off to hundreds place. So we will add it, and while adding, we know, children, we start addition from ones place. So when we will add, we have got 5,000. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next step by rounding off to tens place for the similar question. So when we have to round off for tens place for the same question, we will take it one by one. So for 439, we have to find the digit at tens place. It is 3. Next door digit is 9. So this next door digit is more than 5. So whenever we have a next door digit equals to 5 or more than 5, what we do? We keep on adding 1 to the circle digit. Clear? Whereas the previous digit, it will be written as it is. So previous digit 4 will be written as it is. Circle digit, here we will add 1, so we will get 4. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. And the right side, the digit whatever present towards the circle digit, we will make it 0. Clear? So for this 439, rounding off, we have got 440. When we rounded off this given number to tens place, we have got 440. Clear? Let us see for the next number 334. Digit at tens place is 3. move next door digit, it is 4, that means it is less than 5. Clear? So it is less than 5. So what will be the rounding of previous digit? It will be written as it is. Then the circle digit will be also written as it is, and the next door digit will become 0. Clear? Come to the next number, 4317. So find the digit at tens place, it is 1. Move next door digit, it is 7. So this 7, you can see that this circle digit we have 1, whereas the next door digit we have 7. So while finding the next door digit, if that next door digit is equals to 5 or more than 5, what we do? We need to add 1 to the circle digit. Fine, we need to add 1 to the circle digit. So rounding off for this given number will be the previous digit, it will be written as it is, that means 4 we will write as 4 only. Then 3 also we will write it as 3 only. Then to this circle digit we will add 1, so 1 plus 1 will give us 2, whereas the underlined digit will be written as 0 as per the rule of rounding off. Now between all these three numbers we have which operation indicated? Addition operation, so that we need to mention. Fine. Now when we will do the addition for all this rounded off number, we will get 5090. Clear, children? So our final statement will be written as like the estimated sum is equals to 5000 and 5090. Clear this much? Now come to the next question again of same page number. Following the same steps we need to solve this next question from question number 2. So here our question is we have to subtract, okay, 1,08,734 with 47,599. Clear? So first of all we have to do the rounding off to hundreds place. So let us take the number 1 by 1. So for this given number the rounding off we will do. So here digit at hundreds place is 7, that we have circled. Next door digit is 3. Fine. So this next door digit is less than 5. Clear? So what does our rule says? As per to that we will get its rounding off. So the previous digit it will be written all as it is. So 1 will be written as 1, 0 will be written as 0, 8 will be written as 8. Clear? Then next door digit, this will also remain as it is. Then rest of the digit will become 0, 0. Clear, children? Come to the next number, that is 47,599. So digit at hundreds place is 5, digit at next door is 9, that means this 9, this underlined digit is more than 5. Clear? So at this case what we do? We will write the previous digit as it is. 4 will be written as 4, 7 will be written as 7, and the circle digit here we will add 1. So 1 plus 5 will give us 6, whereas again the rest of the digit that are present beside the circle digit towards the right side, that will become 0. So this 9 will become 0 and next 9 will also become 0. Clear? And what is the sign present between these two numbers? That is of subtraction. So we will find its difference. Clear? So while finding their difference we have got what? 61,100. Then we have to find the rounding off to tens place also for the same question. So how we will write? We have to mention on the top that for which place we are finding the rounding off. You have to solve all this exercise question in your notebook properly by putting a proper heading with a good handwriting. Clear? So see here, then again we will take the first number, we will try to find its rounding off to tens place. Clear, children? So here 1,08,734 rounding off we will do. So digit at tens place is 3. Now find the next door digit is 4. So this next door digit is less than 5. Okay, so what will be the rounding off for this given number? Previous digit we will write as it is. 1 will be written as 1, 0 will be written as 0, 8 will be written as 8, 7 will be written as 7. Now this circle digit it will be also written as Same only, because the next door digit is less than 5 and the next door digit will become 0. Clear here? Come to the next number again. So it is 47,599. So while rounding off for tens place, here the digit at tens place is 9. Clear? Now move to the next door digit. It is also 9. That means it is more than 5. Clear? So whenever we have a next door digit equals to 5 or more than 5, what we do? We have to add 1 to the circle digit. Clear? But before that we have to write the previous digit as it is. So 4 will be written as it is. Okay, and while placing the digits, you have to be careful that you have to place each and every digit in their particular places only, so that you will get a proper calculation done. So 4 will be written as 4, 7 will be written as 7, 5 will be written as 6. Now why? So you see here carefully, when you have a underlined digit as 9, okay, we have to add 1 to the circle digit, and here our circle digit is having 9. So when we add 1 to the 9, it will become 10. So from that 10, the 1 it will be given carry to the previous digit. So here the previous digit was 5. So when we add 1 to the 5, it has become 6. Clear this much? Then this 9 it will be written as 0 and 9 will be written as 0. Clear this much? Now what is the sign between these two numbers that we need to mention? It is of subtraction. So that we have mentioned, after doing the subtraction we have got 61,130. Clear this much? So our final statement will be estimated difference is equals to 61,100 and 61,130. Clear this much? Now come to the next question of the same page number. Fine. So third question of textbook page number 23 is, you have to estimate the following product using general rule. Clear children? So now here we will find the product using general rule. So let us do it. First question is 578 multiplied with 161. So one by one for both this number we will find the rounding off, then we will find its product. Okay, so you have just now learnt that in general rule we need to round off each number to its greatest place. So here the greatest place for each number is up to 100. So we will find the rounding off to hundreds place only. Clear? So by finding their general rule, rounding off for 578, here the hundreds place digit is 5 that we have circled, and the next door digit is 7 here. Clear? So when we underline the next door digit, you have to see whether this underlined digit it is equals to 5 or more than 5. Clear? If it is more than 5 or equals to 5, what we do? We have to add 1 to the circle digit. So rounding off for this given number will be, this 5 will become 5 plus 1. So it will give us 6, and the rest of the digit present towards the right side of your circle digit will become 0, 0. So for this given number, the rounding off we have got is 600. Similarly for 161, we'll find the digit at hundreds place, it is 1. Digit at next door is 6, that means it is more than 5. So we need to add 1 to the circle digit, so it will become 200. Is it clear? As per the rounding off rule we have got. Now what was the operation sign present between these two given number? It was of multiplication, so that we need to mention while doing the calculation, and we will solve its multiplication step one by one. So we will begin the multiplication from ones place digit of that next number. So 0 multiplied with 0 will give us 0, 0 multiplied with 0 will give us 0, 0 multiplied with 6 will give us 0. Then cross that ones place. Okay, as such the multiplication is over for that ones place. Now take the tens place digit of the second number and multiply in the same manner. So again 0 we will multiply with 0, so we'll get 0. 0 multiplied with 0 will give us again 0. 0 multiplied with 6 will give us again 0. Now again you have done the multiplication for 1 as well as for tens place. So both this place we will occupy with by mentioning here cross. Okay, then take the next digit, just the next digit from the back side. So it is what? 2. Now we will see this number and we will find the multiplication with this number for above number. So 2 multiplied with 0 will give us 0. 2 multiplied with 0 will give us 0. 2 multiplied with 6 will give us 12. Now after getting the multiplication done for each place, we have to find its addition. Okay, so what is that addition we have got for this? We have got 1,20,000. Clear, children? So estimated product. Here what we have done, we have calculated the product. So what we will write? First we have estimated. Okay, after that we have done their product. So we will write the final statement as like their estimated product is equals to 1,20,000. Is it clear? Now come to the next question from the same heading, that is we have to again find the product using general rule, and the numbers are 5,281 multiplied with 3,491. Okay, so first we have to get its rounding off done as per the general rule. So here the digit presents in the given number are up to thousands place. So rounding off by general rule we will do. So for this given number, the rounding off we have to find. So here our greatest place is what? It is thousands place. So for that particular place we will find the rounding off. So for thousands place we need to find the digit in the given number. So at thousands place we have here 5. Clear? Next digit is 2, that means it is less than 5. So no change will be there at the circle digit. So circle digit will be written as it is, and the rest of the digit will become 0, 0 and 0. Clear? So for this 5,281 we have got a rounding off done, that is equals to 5,000. Is it clear? Then for 3,491 rounding off we have got, first of all we will find the thousands place digit, it is 3. Next digit is 4, that means it is less than 5. No changes again will be done at circle digit. So our rounding off will be written as, what will be written as? You can see that 3 will be written as it is, and the rest of the digit will become 0, 0, which are present towards the right side of the circle digit. Okay children, already this thing we have discussed in the previous class when we have learned the rounding off rules. Now what is the operation sign present between these two number? It is of multiplication, so that we will mention it, and we have to solve the multiplication step in our fair column. So we will multiply the ones place digit of the second number with all other digit of the first number. So while doing so you will have to write the first step. Similarly, if the multiplication is over with the ones place digit, we have to put a cross, then we have to take a next place digit, that means the tens place digit of the second number we will take, and we have to again multiply it with the all digit of the first number. Whatever multiplication we will get, that we need to mention. Then third step will be, as such we have completed the multiplication with ones and tens place digit of the second number, so that both the place we will occupy by mentioning here a cross, and we will take the hundreds place digit of the second number, that we will multiply with the first number for each place. So what we will get? Again 0, 0. Now as such the second number, it is up to thousands place. So we have completed the multiplication for ones place, so here we will put a cross. Then for tens place also we will put a cross, and for hundreds place also we will put a cross. Then by taking the digit at of thousands place of the second number, that is 3, that we will take and we will multiply with each digit of the first number. So 3 we will multiply with 0, so we will get 0. Again 3 multiplied with 0 will give us 0. 3 multiplied with 0 will give us 0. 3 multiplied with 5 will give us 15. Now after getting all this multiplication done for each place, okay, we have to find the sum also. So when we will find the sum for each place, we will add the digits present. So when we are adding, what we have got, children, see on the screen that you have got 1 crore 50 lakh. Is it clear? So estimated product will be written as 1 crore 50 lakh. Understood? So as like our today's solving problem, you have some homework that you need to do it in your notebook along with the solved question. So the textbook page number 23, here we have some more question from the same exercise 1.3. First question, estimate each of the following using general rule. First number is 796 minus 314. Okay, similarly you will do how we have done each type of question in this video. Okay, then next question of the same topic is 12,904 added with 2,888. Clear this much? Come to the next question. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So the number is 8,325 minus 491. So for this given number, you have to find the rounding off for hundreds place also as well as for tens place also. Then you have to get its difference also. Clear? That we have already discussed. Then next number is 4,89,348 subtracted with 48,365. Is it clear? Come to the third question. You have to estimate the following product using general rule. So first number is 1,291 multiplied with 592, and the D question is 9,250 multiplied with 29. So try solving all this question, children. I hope whatever we have learned today you have understood properly. Thank you.